Welcome to ATech. In this video I will tell you that how to check your Samsung phone model number. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, open settings. In settings, after scrolling, you can find about phone option. So in about phone, you can see on top model number S21 Ultra. You can check product name Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. You can check model name, serial number, IMEI number and eSIM number. So in this way you can check your Android model number. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.